Chef Claudette Zepeda, based out of San Diego, California. Accolades includes James Beard nominations for Best Chef West, Michelin Bib Gourmand, Iron Chef winner in the US, Iron Chef winner in Mexico. I was raised in restaurants and I believe this industry chose me. I wanted to be a lawyer my entire adolescence and my childhood because my father was one. But I was constantly surrounded by food, and in my aunt's restaurant, which I grew up going to and spending 5 months out of my life from the moment I was 3 months old till I was 16 in Guadalajara. I think working with Messermeister was one of those no-brainers. Obviously the charitable aspect of it is a huge drive of me to work with them, but the biggest one was they let me be me. Being someone that uses a knife for 16 hours straight, handles in our hand for a long period of time, it creates stress on our hand nerves and our wrist nerves and up to our shoulders, and so all of those things came into mind when we were talking about the utilitarianism of the knife. I love a knife that I can butcher something with and then move on and cut vegetables with and move on and then, you know, break down a steer. I wanted this sharp point. I wanted this to be a specific width. I wanted this to be low profile enough with your finger just perfectly like fitting into here, 3 fingers here. And this literally is measured to my hand, and my logo being on it with the nopal. I always say I have a nopal heart, a cactus heart. Underneath those spikes is someone that is really, really loving, and my favorite colors are green and pink. So having the jade run down the knife and the pink rivet, and it's made with some of the strongest steel on earth in Italy. We made it with an olive wood handle. Being that I was raised in Tijuana, it was just also a no-brainer to have a wood that blossoms in Baja, but also because natural wood has a natural give to it. You can oil this and have it last you a really long time, hand wash it. Just the care of it is really important. I thought of every aspect of the knives in my arsenal, and I took all of the best parts and put it into this knife. The specificity of this knife makes it the best in my arsenal. Buy this knife so it can sell out and we can make more cool shit to benefit more charities doing amazing work in the world.